How the heck do you craft with that? Part 16. Do you ever wish your handmade cards had a little more wow, but really not sure what to do? I've got you. Paper crafters that are looking to create projects everyone will be talking about will want to have a dry embossing machine in their crafty tools. Dry embossing is a fast and easy way to add a little wow factor that will amaze your recipients. Let me show you. The high-quality Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine from Stampin' Up! Is one of my must-have tools when I'm looking to add that special touch to my crafty projects. Use this machine with embossing folders to easily add amazing texture to cards, scrapbook pages, party invitations, classroom projects, and so much more. To use, simply follow the guides printed directly on the plates for the perfect embossing sandwich every time. Follow for more crafty tools tips.